I'm going to show you how to preserve a vegetable salad for the winter. I washed the vegetables and now I will chop them. First, I'll cut the tomatoes. I transfer the sliced tomatoes to a larger bowl. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Now I will cut the cucumber and pepper. I will chop the onion and garlic. And finally, I will cut the parsley. I will add 1 tablespoon of salt. 50 milliliters of olive oil. I will stir. I will leave the salad prepared in this way for an hour to let the vegetables release their juices. After an hour of standing, the vegetables release their juice. I need clean and washed jars. I will fill the jar with prepared vegetables. And so I will fill all the jars. I also pour the remaining juice into the jars. I add a teaspoon of sugar to each jar. I add a spoonful of 9% vinegar. Botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I do not add water to the jars because the vegetables will release their juice. I close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan and arrange the jars in the pan. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I will cover it, and from the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 35 minutes. We pasteurize at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. After 35 minutes, the pasteurization is complete, and I remove the pan from the stove. Leave the jars in the water to cool gradually. After that, keep them in a dark and cool place until use. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment. Thanks, friends.